All right, guys. In today's class, we are going to be talking about key level areas and the multiple time frame analysis. Key level areas are levels in the chart where price tends to reject or reverse from. And these key level areas, remember I talked about our support and resistance region being clustered when we have to pick the valleys and we have to pick the valleys and the peak. Now, in order for us not to have a clusters of support and resistance line or charts in our trading platform on our chart, we want to make our chart look simple and neat. So what we are going to do is very simple. We are going to select which ones are important. Now, in support and resistance, I showed us how to select the key support and resistance level. But right now, I want to show you another forms of picking support and resistance, and I call them the key level areas. Now, the first key level areas can be based on indicators. And as for me, the one I use is the moving average 21. Let me delete this and add it. I come here, click on moving trend, moving average. Then I use the exponential moving average 21. Yes. Now, what the key level area does is this. Whenever price approaches this level, I want to react to price actions, either by selling, by buying, based on the reaction of the market. Did the market breaks out? Did the market retest? Did the market rebounds? No. These are what I want to look at when price touches my key level area. So in order for me not to have a cluster of chart patterns, what I do is this, of support and resistance rather, I make use of the what? I make use of the trend lines, first of all, for dynamic support and resistance level. But now I'm talking about key level. I make use of the what? The moving average. Now, if you look at this point, at every area where price touches the moving average, there is a what? There is a test and price going back up. Look at it. Then when they change direction here, they reacted around this region, around this region, around this region, and even around this point. That the moving average are areas, are levels where I want to, the moving average are levels where I want to trade from whenever I am trading a trend. Now, when the market is going up like this, and I assume this is my moving average levels. This is my moving average line. What I want to do is this. I want to trade when price come to my moving average level, when price approach my moving average level, yeah, I look to buy again. This is what I use the key level for. It comes down here again. At this point, I look to buy again, touches the moving average. At this point, I look to buy again. This is what I do with the moving averages. It serves as a support and resistance zone for me in everything I do. So the moving average is an important factor when I use them for what? Key level areas. The next one I make use of is a bar called the order block, imbalance, fair value gap. Those ones are going to be discussed in the YouTube videos link I'm going to send to you. Please do well to watch them. Now, the last one I want us to talk about is the time frame analysis. We all know what top-down analysis is all about. That means starting from the top to the least lower time frame to be able to predict the direction of the market, to be able to analyze where the market is going to. And that is where your multiple time frame analysis come into play. Now, this multiple time frame analysis, I'm not going to talk much on it. I will send down our loads for us, and we are going to read them and follow them up, and also send the link to you on YouTube. It's just too short to explain, and during the classes, I'm going to explain further. So do well to attend the class, and if you miss the class, watch the YouTube videos. Thank you.